Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever seen this on your iPhone? Two white iPhone icons show up on the screen, moving toward each other, but no matter what you tap, you just can't get out of it. Don't panic. Your iPhone probably isn't broken. It may have entered assisted recovery mode by accident. Here's how this usually happens. After connecting your iPhone to a cable, you press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the phone enters recovery mode. Once it's in recovery mode, if you keep pressing the side button at a steady pace, the Apple logo may start flashing. That means your iPhone has entered assisted recovery mode. After the Apple logo blinks, the screen shows a prompt asking for a second device to aid restoration. You can use ReiBoot to fix it perfectly. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool trusted by millions of users worldwide. It can fix over 150 iOS system issues. It also provides one-click backup and restore, so your data is safe. Connect your iPhone to a computer, open ReiBoot, and click Enter Recovery Mode. In just a few seconds, your iPhone will enter recovery mode. And when you want to exit, just click Exit Recovery Mode. It's much easier for beginners, and it saves you from messing around with complicated button steps. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.